your subscribers. They will tell you about how you can easily fix your problem with your Wi-Fi on your macOS Big Sur. So first thing, just try to tap on Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. So also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to go to Apple, tap on Apple icon, just tap restart and just submit restarting your computer. And if you still have this error, so just go to App Store, just go to updates, and if you also have available updates for your system, just download and install them for your system. Sorry, it's for apps and for system in system preferences. Now just choose software update, and now you will see here available updates for your system. So now just tap on update now, and it will successfully update your system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.